everyone, welcome back to the channel. This vlog is all about our Scotland road trip. We began our journey at London King's Cross Station where we boarded a train all the way up to Stirling. The ride took about 5 hours and the views were stunning. Rolling countryside, little towns and hints of Highlands as we got closer. Once we arrived in Stirling, we picked up our rental car, the best way to explore Scotland at your own pace. That evening, we checked into our hotel and got ready for the adventure ahead. The next morning, we set off for Loch Lomond. The highlight here was taking a relaxing cruise across the loch, calm waters, rolling hills, and the perfect Scottish scenery. From there, we drove to Callander, known as the gateway to Highlands. We went for a walk to Bracklin Falls, also called the Wild Brig or Bracklin. The sound of the rushing water and the views from the wooden bridge made it a peaceful stop and a beautiful place for photos. On the way back, we visited Doune Castle, a medieval fortress that has starred in Outlander, Game of Thrones, and even Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Walking through the stone halls and country yards felt like stepping straight into history or onto a film set. Day 3 began with something we'd be waiting for, meeting the Highland Cows. These gentle, fluffy giants are Scotland's most famous residents. We even got to feed them, which was such a fun and unique experience. Afterwards, we continued our drive into the Highlands and made our way to Glencoe. The landscape changed dramatically, towering peaks, deep valleys, and moody skies. Every corner felt like a postcard. It's no wonder that Harry Potter and Skyfall were filmed here. That evening, we stayed in Appin, near Glencoe, surrounded by peaceful lochside views. On day 4, we headed to Glenfinnan, where you'll find the world-famous Glenfinnan Viaduct, instantly recognizable from the Harry Potter films. We timed our visit just right and watched the Jacobite steam train, the real Hogwarts Express, cross the viaduct, a truly magical moment. After Glenfinnan, we made the journey back to Stirling for one final night. The next morning, we returned our car, boarded the train, and headed back down to London, wrapping up our unforgettable Scottish adventure. So that was our 5-day Scotland trip from Stirling to Loch Lomond, Bracklin Falls, Doune Castle, Highland Cows, Glencoe, and finally Glenfinnan. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more travel content, and let me know in the comments which part of Scotland you would love to visit the most.